This is the second part of the video named How to Translate Some Help Service Content with Wordbee Translator. So, the document has been translated from English to French. The translator now runs the check button for potential errors, such as translation missing or missing tags, for example. Then, he's going to indicate that the translation is finished and sets the status of the job to completed. We receive a notification by email telling us that the job has been completed. So, we can now log on our online workspace and download the translated document. To do so, we go to the Status tab of the project and we click on Finalize Now in the Finalize Translations panel. We are going to export the translated document and download it. To do so, we go to the Export Translations panel and click on Find. We then click on Download File to complete the process. So far, the book entitled Birds has been exported from HelpServer and then imported and translated with Wordbee Translator. Let's import the translated file in HelpServer. To do so, let's right-click on the book we have translated and click this time on Import Translation XML. We select in which part of the computer the document has been stored, in this case in the desktop. We click on the document to import and then on OK. The process takes a few seconds to be completed. The French version of the book Birds has been imported in HelpServer. The preview function enables administrators and authors to preview the work version in the web browser before publishing it or activating it. Visitors can also display any content in a PDF format. It can be a folder, a book, etc. To do so, we right-click on the chosen content and then on Print. The currently selected content will be printed on the spot to PDF. We can now proceed and publish the content in order to make it accessible in real time for the visitors of our documentation web portal. In order to publish the content, we right-click on the book, we select Publish, and then we choose the French version. We then click on Start to launch the process. We copy the URL and then we paste it in a new tab to reach what the visitors will now see in the web browser. Now, let's say we want to add a new chapter to the Birds book entitled The Condor. First, we go to the English version. Then, we right-click on the book and click on New Chapter. We entitle it The Condor. We can see that this chapter has been added to the book. But in HelpServer, you add the actual content in topics. Topics can hold text, media files, index words, hyperlinks, etc. So, let's now create a topic called About the Condor. The content has been added to the chapter. Now, let's put this chapter above the index. To do so, let's click on the book, then on the selected chapter, and then on Move Up. Moreover, we also decide to add a new sentence to the Eagle chapter. Now, go to the third part of the video to see how Wordbee can be useful to translate this new content.